Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air 4 Pro. Now, if your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, you can only open the charging case and it will enter to prank mode automatically. And you will see it at the device list. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold on it until these LED lights start flashed. Here we go, and now we can also see it at the device list, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!